Assalamu alaikum. Good morning everyone. How are you? Hope all viewers are doing well. Today I am here with you for English first paper class 7. And this is Madhav Chandra Das, Assistant Headmaster, Ishan Girls High School near DC office, Faridpur. Before starting my today's class, I will check everything is okay or not. Okay, those the learners, colleague or any viewer inform in comment box everything is okay or not. I can make everything okay, such as light, sound, rotation, frame. I can make recovery the problem. Okay, dear student, I also request to you all to share the classes so that everybody can benefit through this pandemic situation. Today's class is very important for your final examination. Now we can start our class. Again, welcome dear student. This is my identity. Yes, lesson identity. English first paper, class 7, unit 5. Great woman to remember. Lesson B, Helen Keller 2. Your textbook page number 48. Dear student, now you open your textbook English first paper page number 48. Now before starting my class, I will sing a song and you sing with me. Okay, dear student, you sing with me. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Okay, dear student, we shall overcome someday from pandemic COVID-19. Don't worry about this. You always pray to God for this. Okay, I think you open your textbook page number 48. Previous class evaluation. In previous class evaluation, question number 1, what was Helen Keller's father? Question number 2, who always helped Helen Keller? Question number 3, who is the inventor of telephone? Question number 4, where is the Perkins School. Dear student, look at the picture. From the picture, where is the Horace Mann School? Horace Mann School, okay? Where did Helen receive her BA degree from? From the third picture, we see a college, okay? Our today's topic is Helen Keller 2. The student, understand, our today's topic is Helen Keller 2. Very important for you. By the end of the lesson, the student will able to know about Helen Keller, ask and answer question, tell word meaning, take the best answer. Let's know about Helen Keller. Let's know about more Helen Keller. Yes, she started her formal education in 1890. She began to take classes at the Horace Mann School for the Deaf in Boston. From 1894 to 1896, she attended the Wright Humason School for the Deaf in New York. In 1896, she attended the Cambridge School for Young Ladies. She was admitted to Radcliffe College, where she learned reading through a special technique called Braille. In 1904, she received a BA degree with honors from Radcliffe College. She died on June 1, 1968. Okay, dear student, now we know from this lesson vocabulary. Communication means correspondence or contact. Skill means ability, talent. Interpret means explain or translate. Attend means present, appear. Gradually mean by degree. Admit, allow, accept. Technique means method or art. Lecture means speech or teacher. Disabled. Disabled means handicapped. Yes, disabled means handicapped. Open your English for today book, page number 48. Dear student, now you read the passage carefully about Helen Keller 2 with me. Helen Keller started her formal education in 1890. She began to take classes at the Horace Mann School for the Deaf in Boston from 1894 to 1896. She attended the Wright Humason School for the Deaf in New York City. There she worked to improve her communication skill and studied regular academic subjects. Helen gradually made up her mind to attend college. In 1896, she attended the Cambridge School for Young Ladies, Massachusetts. Later, she was admitted to Radcliffe College. Here, she learned reading through a special technique called Braille. She also learned here how to type. Annie Sullivan was always with her for help. She sat by her in the class and interpreted lectures and texts. In 1904, Helen received a BA degree with honors from that college. Helen Clark spent the rest of her life trying to make it easier for disabled people to learn. Helen Clark died on June 1, 1968, a few weeks short of her 88th birthday. Answer the following questions. Dear student, from this lesson, now we know answer the following question. Question number 1. How long did she study at the Wright Humason School? Answer: from 1894 to 1896, Helen studied at the Wright Humason School. Question number 2. How did Annie help Helen with her studies at Radcliffe College? Answer: Annie sat by Helen in the class and interpreted lecture and texts at Radcliffe College. Question number 3. When did Helen graduate? Answer: Helen graduated in 1904. How did Helen become famous? Answer: Helen became famous by making the education system easier for disabled people. Dear student, now we learn take the best answer. We learn take the best answer. Question number 1. The Horaceman School is for. The Horaceman School is for the blind, the dumb, the deaf. Right answer: the Horaceman School is for, yes, the deaf. Question number 2. Who always help Helen to learn? Horaceman, B. Wright Humason, C. Annie Sullivan. Correct answer: Annie Sullivan. Question number 3. At Radcliffe College, Helen mastered her reading skill, speaking skill, listening skill. Reading skill. Question number 4. Helen died in her early age. In her middle age, in her old age. The student right answer: in her old age. Question number 5. Helen worked for improving her communication skill. A. Expressing ideas and feelings. B. Sending information through telephone, radio, etc. C. Developing road and air transport. Correct answer is expressing ideas and feelings. Which sentence gives the correct information according to the text? A. Annie taught Helen at Redleaf College. B. Annie explained lecture and text in the class. C. Annie was not allowed to enter the class. Correct answer, Annie explained lecture and text in the class. From the text, we know tick the answer. Now, evaluation for you. How long did she study at the Wright Humason School? Question number 2. How did Annie help Helen with her studies at Redleaf College? Question number 3. When did Helen graduate? Question number 4. How did Helen become famous? Now, I give you a homework. Dear student, now I give you a homework. Write short composition about Helen Keller in 100 words. Dear student, I think you apply your own knowledge. You watch my class frequently and write a short composition about Helen Keller in 100 words. Okay, dear student, thank you so much for watching my class attentively. When I say watching my class attentively, don't worry about current situation. Stay home and save life and pray to God to recovery for this situation. Again, thank you very much, my dear student. Tata.